Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to edit and unsend iMessage on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, for you to be able to edit and unsend iMessage in your iPhone, you first need to open the iMessage and then send a message. So go ahead and send a message. Now, to edit the message or unsend it, once it has been delivered, all you simply need to do is press and hold the message. Then you should see edit and undo send. Now go ahead and click on edit. You can now go ahead, edit the message or add the other part. And then go ahead and click on the check mark to send the message. To unsend the message, press and hold the message and click on undo send. And then you'll see the message unsent. And that's it. So that is exactly how to edit and unsend iMessage on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.